Okay, so this is going to be our review number 2, so similar to the one from yesterday, and to kind of help prepare you for your part 1 of your test today. So it says rewrite the given expression in radical form. So whenever it's in radical form, we have to do our square root. So if you can at least we know that the 5 is going to go under a radical. We know that the exponents are top numbers, so that's going to be 3, and then the radicand, or the index, is our 5. And remember, the only time we're simplifying if our index is a 2. So this one, it's not a 2, so we can stop right there. So that's all you have to do for that problem. The next one, we have to write in exponential form. So exponential form is like this. It has an exponent. So 8 is our base. And then we do 10, because it's your exponent, over your index. So I want you to think, can you simplify 10 over 5? You can. 10 divided by 5 is 2. You can type 8 squared into your calculator, and your answer would be 64. Okay, next one, select all the following that are equivalent. I told you guys yesterday, this is one that you can just type into your calculator. If you type this into your calculator, you should get 5. So any of these that you type in that you get, your answer would be 5. So your selections, you should get this one, because if you type it in, you'll get 5. This one you won't. We already said 5, and the square root of 25 is 5. So those would be your 4 options. Next one, you're simplifying. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Add your exponents. So add the 4, the 1, and the negative 2. You're going to get 3. That is my answer. Next one, you're dividing, so you subtract your exponent. So you'll get x to the second, because 6 minus 4 is 2. Y, you're going to do 1 minus 2, so you're going to get negative 1. And then z, you're going to do 2 minus 6, which is going to give you negative 4. Remember, these negative exponents are unacceptable. They go to the bottom, so they can become positive. So you go to y to the first, z to the fourth. And that is my answer. Next one, you got a power on the outside, you just got to distribute. 2 times 8 is 16, so you get x to the 16th. 1/2 times 8 is 4, so you just get 4, and that's your final answer. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions on that front page. Let's go to the second page. Okay, these are what is going to be on your test tomorrow, so make sure. Oh, did it cut that off? Well, that's weird. I don't know why I cut that off. I'm sorry, you guys. Unless, I bet it was on the bottom of the last page. Okay. Lynette simplified an exponential expression to get a final answer of negative 2 y to the negative 6. Can her answer be simplified? We have done this multiple times. Can you have a negative exponent? No. So can her answer be simplified? Yes. Because negative exponent. So we should know that by now, you guys. You can't have a negative exponent in our answer, so that's how you can simplify it. Next, Jack solved the problem incorrectly, find his error, and explain his mistake. So you just have to circle his error. So whenever you're multiplying, you take negative 2 times 3 to get negative 6. That's right. 2 and negative 5 will give you negative 3. Did that right. Well, then he had a negative exponent there, so that needs to go to the bottom. Well, he moved the 6 to the bottom. So his error is right here, because he moved negative 6 instead of x to the negative 3, because you want to move your negative exponent. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions on that. Last one, the volume of a cube is this lovely formula. Write it in exponential. So we write it in exponent form. A is your base, 3 is your numerator, 2 is your denominator. It then gives you the area, which we take and we plug in for A. So we get 9, 3 over 2, and you plug this in your calculator, and you will get 27. And that is your answer. Okay, so that is all we are going to be doing on our test today. So make sure you review those problems. Let me know if you guys have any questions over that.